So I'll just click on it like this, and okay, I already have something going on, so let's just close that. See, today is my day 5. Can you see? I practiced. Oh yeah, I downloaded the app on Friday, so I've practiced Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're going strong. I'm committed. Okay, no, okay, another good thing about this app is that you can save, see that? You can save the vocabulary that you studied and come back to it later. I have about, let's see, okay, 113. Can you see that? 113 vocabulary saved. So, and something else that is very good about this app is that you can customize it to fit what you want to study. You can customize the app based on what you want to study. What would you like to study? And it's really very helpful when it comes to with pronunciation as well. And that's one thing, you know, speaking with native, that's one thing that I've come to realize. Pronunciation is very, very essential. If you don't pronounce a word correctly, they would struggle. And when I say struggle, I mean really struggle to understand you. So pronunciation is really, really essential. But let's also I set this to level 3. Even though I am a beginner, I set it to level 3 because yeah. So there are 2 modes. There's the roleplay mode and there is the tutor mode. So the roleplay mode is like when you want to practice speaking in real life conversations with Pingo. Let's start with the roleplay mode. So what should we do? Okay, let's just do introduction. Let's do this.
안녕하세요. 만나서 반갑습니다. 저는 지민이에요. 당신은 어디에서 오셨나요?
Now, see, if you're confused, but it will be very helpful before using this app. It will be very helpful to know how to read Hangul, so it makes it easier, I think, in my opinion. But yeah, so there's this feature here where you can see I'm stuck, so you can say, can you repeat that slower, or can you explain what you just said, or give me an idea for how I can answer. But let's do, can you explain what you just said? So this is it. 안녕하세요, that's hello or hi. And 만나서 반가워요, oh, 만나서 반갑습니다, and that is nice to meet you. And 저는 지민이에요. Okay, and this is 당신은 어디서 왔어요? Okay. Jimin is asking me where am I from. So I don't want to go into practicing. Because I want to keep this video really short. So yeah, that's it for roleplay. So I could just say where I'm from and then we go from there. But I don't want to do that now. I just wanted to show how it works. So but the tutor mode, you can ask questions, you can customize. I say teach me how to say what should I say? How to say thank you for watching. In Korean. Okay.
안녕하세요. Welcome to our Korean lesson. Today, we'll learn how to say thank you for watching in Korean. Let's start with one word first. Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. The first word is 감사합니다. Let me break it down slowly. 감사합니다. It means thank you. Now, you try saying 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
That was great. Just a little smoother on the ending. 감사합니다. Perfect. Now let's add for watching. The word for watching is 봐주셔서. Let me say it slowly. 봐주셔서. Now you try saying 봐주셔서.
봐주셔서.
Nice try. Let's smooth it out a bit more. 봐주셔서. That's sounding better. When we put it all together, we say 봐주셔서 감사합니다. It literally means thank you for watching. Now you give the full sentence a try.
봐주셔서 감사합니다.
That's excellent.
Okay.
Just keep it smooth and natural. 봐주셔서 감사합니다. You've got it. Do you want to try it once more for practice?
봐주셔서 감사합니다.
That was perfect. You sound really natural now.
Okay.
So, if someone watches a video or something you made, you can say 봐주셔서 감사합니다. Great job. Do you feel comfortable with that phrase now?
네, 편해요.
좋아요. That means yes, I'm comfortable. Now, let's do a quick review.
See,
I'll say the phrase
I
in English.
learned another word while learning how to say thank you for watching. I learned how to say yes, I am comfortable. And here there will be the word bank, where you can go back to the phrases and the words that you've learned. So yeah, we have 감사합니다, 시청하다, 영상, which is video, 감정, emotion, 전달하다, to convey, 소중하다, to be precious, and then 감사, gratitude, and then 마지막으로, finally. So 봐주셔서 감사합니다. 그럼 다음에 또 봐요. 안녕.